So, new day, new shipment. One product here, combined of two parts. It is the parking brake release handle guide. The parking brake and its release handle does more or less break after 20-30 years. So it's smart, if not safe, to remove it. It's a two-piece set. One is an L-shaped holder, and the second one is the holder itself. Okay, so here we go. Looks like this. Nice. A few details maybe. So the wire with its adapter, it's like a cone shaped, goes through here, and then it aligns itself to the parking brake itself. So I have a parking brake here, it goes in like this, or is it vice versa? I'm not sure. Okay, in any case, the parking brake wires goes inside here. Then you have to push it through here and then lock it inside. It's like a wire with a small drum at the end. So firstly here until the cone part, it sits perfectly. Then you exchange it a bit, extend it out, put the wire inside and lock it in this hole. So this is just a simulation. I will be showing you this in the car in a few minutes, but in any case, mine is broke because it's wiggly all around, up, down, left, right. We have 3 attachment points, the holder, which currently I'm not sure where it's going, but we'll find out in the car. And that's that more or less, so I'll see you in the car. Okay, so to remove the footwell we have 1, 2, 3 screws, which we need to unscrew. And then you will have a duct going from here to here. I won't remove it, but if you want to do it, I will try to do it without removing it and just by bending this one a bit over. So let's see how it goes. Okay, we removed it. So the next step is to remove this and this. Basically you just, maybe it will be easier. Nope. So basically we go in, sorry about that, in and try to pull the line. Maybe I'll just start it, and it goes out. Now we can remove the parking brake handle. Next step, remove the screw. After removing the screw, remove this pin because it's holding down the holder. So here we go. The next step of the next step of the next step is to remove this one, because this L part is somewhere here, and so the old one is out. Transfer this to the new one, and of course don't forget to put this one in the back side. I'll show you how. Okay, so we have transferred everything from the old one to the new one. This one, just pull it out from the old one here out, and then when you put it into the new one, just push it through gently and just a bit pull on this side. So now we don't forget the line here. This is going to be a bit tricky because you have to put the line in, keep it in, and afterwards connect it to the parking brake lever. So I've put this and this screw in. Now we have to put as well the holder, but be careful that you don't miss and go in between this and this. You have to push it towards yourself and clip it in. Okay, so now let's not forget to put this one back in. First try. Wow, today I'm going to go and play the Euro jackpot for sure. And the next and final step is that we put in the handbrake, the lever, and kind of get this one here with the line going in. It will be hard to show you, but you get the basic principle. So you need to put this one inside the hole. Okay, maybe I will manage. No, okay, I think I missed it. So in any case, this one goes here and the line here, so it will lock itself in place. Sorry for the bad video, but it's really hard to shoot efficiently under the dash.